Welcome to another tutorial video from Tulla Maths. Make sure and subscribe for more. In this video, we're looking at how to multiply out brackets or expand our brackets. We're going to look at two examples here. In the first example, we're multiplying two brackets with each bracket containing two terms in each. But in our second example, we're getting into a little bit more difficult, where one of the brackets will contain three terms where one of the powers is squared. So coming over to our first example, they're asking us to multiply out the following. So how I do these is I take the first term out of the first bracket. So I'm taking out the 3x, my first term. So I'm taking out my 3x and I'm multiplying that term by everything that's in the second bracket. So the 2x take 4. So I'm multiplying 3x by 2x take 4. I'm then taking my second term from the first bracket, so the positive 1, and I'm multiplying it also by the second bracket, so the 2x take 4. I'm now going to multiply in those brackets. So in other words, I'm multiplying 3x by 2x first of all, and 3 by 2 is giving me 6. X by x is giving me x squared. I'm then multiplying the 3x by the minus 4. Just watch your signs here. A positive 3 by a negative 4 gives me a negative 12x. So that's the first section done. I'm coming now to the positive 1. I'm multiplying the positive 1 by the 2x, which is giving me positive 2x. And I'm multiplying the positive 1 by the negative 4, which gives me negative 4. So that's all the terms multiplied. I'm now going to group common terms. So I have a minus 12 and a positive 2. So when I go minus 12 plus 2 on my number line, that brings me to negative 10. So my final answer here is going to be 6x squared minus 10x plus my constant, which is negative 4. And that's the that's the answer to example 1. As easy as that. Coming over now to example 2, we're going to carry it out in the same manner. We're going to take the first term out of the first bracket, which is my 3a. I'm going to multiply that term by everything that's in the second bracket, which is 2a squared minus 3a plus 2. I'm then going to take the second term out of the first bracket, which is my negative 4. Make sure that you take the sign with it, so it's minus 4. And I'm multiplying it by everything that's in the second bracket again, which is my 2a squared minus 3a plus my 2. I'm now going to multiply in my brackets. So I'm multiplying 3a by 2a squared, which is giving me 3 by 2, which is 6. A multiplied by a squared, which is a to the power of 3, or a cubed. In other words, you're adding the powers. I'm then multiplying my 3a by my minus 3a. So 3 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 9. And a multiplied by a gives me a squared. Again, you're adding the powers. I'm then multiplying my 3a by the positive 2. And 2 multiplied by 3a is plus 6a. And that's my first bracket multiplied out. I'm then coming to my second bracket. Minus 4 multiplied by 2a squared. That is giving me minus 4 by positive 2, which is negative 8a squared. And then I'm multiplying my minus 4 by minus 3a. So just watch the double negative here. Minus by minus is giving me a plus. 4 by 3 is giving me 12a. And my final step is minus 4 multiplied by the positive 2 minus by a positive is giving me a negative 8. I'm now going to group the similar terms once again. So I'm grouping my a squareds first of all. So I have a negative 9a squared and a negative 8a squared. So minus 9 minus 8 is giving me minus 17a squared. I don't have any more a cubes, so I'm just keeping it as 6a cubed. I have some a squareds now, so I'm going to put the a's. 6a plus 12a, which is giving me plus 18a. and my constant minus 8. And that's us finished with example 2. So there's 2 examples of how to multiply out or expand brackets. Thank you for watching another tutorial video from Tulla Maths. Make sure and subscribe.